Welcome back to Life Beyond Certificate channel. In this video we will be talking about YouTube handle, and how you can leverage on it. Please, before we continue, I encourage you to like and subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss out of our current and future videos. First, let's begin with what is YouTube handle. A YouTube handle is a brand new way for people to find and contact you. You may more easily develop a unique presence on YouTube since handles, unlike channel names, are particular to each creator. Also, your YouTube channel URL will include your new handle. Most of the time, your handle will be your personalized URL. When someone is not on YouTube, you can utilize your handle to guide them toward your channel. YouTube serves as a community and home base for many creators, not merely a venue to upload and comment on videos. Because of this, YouTube is launching handles today, a brand new feature that makes it simple for users to discover and interact with YouTube creators and one another. It will be simpler for fans to find content and engage with their favorite producers, thanks to each channel having a distinct handle. These handles will be visible on channel sites and shorts, making them easily distinguishable. It will soon be easier and quicker to mention one another in comments, forum posts, video descriptions, and other places. These are the following benefit of YouTube handle to creators. The first benefit of YouTube handle is, it will help creators increase visibility and reach with new audiences. The second benefit of YouTube handle is, it will also help creators to easily direct people to their channel when they're not on YouTube. The third benefit of YouTube is that, creators will be able to mention each other in comments or even titles of collabs. The fourth benefit of YouTube is, it will also make it easier for fans to discover content and interact with creators they love. How creator can earn from this new trend. As a creator this is an opportunity to gain your visibility and start earning. For instance, if a top celebrity mention your channel handle in any comment section, description or community tag, and she has at least 1 million followers, you should know what that means. Also, do you know that as a creator you can also use this trend to get the attention of a top personality by mentioning him or her in your comment section or description. The next way to earn from this trend is that, you can use this to drive traffic, by directing people to your channel. Also, top personalities can help you get people to engage in your content, and all this can promote your videos and earn you more money. The next thing I will be talking about is how your YouTube handle will look like. All channels will have an associated handle that can be used to find and interact with other users, both creators and viewers. When it's time for creators to select a handle for their channel, YouTube will let them know. Most of the time, if a channel already has a customized URL, that will become their default handle by default. However, they can choose to alter their channel's handle as soon as they receive the notification in YouTube Studio. Every YouTube channel will have a handle. Handles must be distinctive. The number of subscribers a channel has, its overall YouTube presence, and whether it is active or not will determine the timing when a creator will have access to the handle's selection process. For creators, this is how your YouTube handle will look like at handle. For example, if your handle is at user222, then your URL will be http:/youtube.com/@user222. Thanks for watching, and please, subscribe to this channel so that you will be notified when we drop any trending new videos.